Hi guys, welcome back to Taste with Twist. Today we are making khichdi in a rice cooker. Firstly, I have taken 2.5 cups of rice in a bowl and I am washing the rice with some water. Be gentle but thoroughly wash the rice and discard the water. Repeat for 2 times. Now khichdi is labeled as a sick man's food, but today we are giving a healthy and tasty twist to our khichdi. After washing the rice, I am soaking the rice in some water. I have taken 6.5 cups of water to soak the rice in. Usually we use 5 cups of water for 2.5 cups of rice in a rice cooker, but today to cook the lentils and the vegetables I have taken 1.5 cup of water extra. Now I have taken red lentils, half cup of red lentils. I am washing the dal. Discard the water. Add the dal to the already soaking rice water. I have taken half cup of chopped carrots, half cup of beans that I have cut in 2 inches length, 3 chilies that I have slit lengthwise, half cup of onion roughly chopped, an intact bundle of coriander leaves, and for spices I have taken 1 cardamom, 2 cloves, 2 cinnamon sticks, half spoon of Shahjeera, 1 bay leaf, 2 tablespoons of ghee or clarified butter, and half cup of tomatoes roughly chopped. Please check the ingredients and their measurements that I have listed in the description box. Firstly, let's fry the spices in the ghee. On a low flame, I have taken ghee in a pan and I am frying the spices in the pan for just 1 minute. After 1 minute, let's assemble all the ingredients in the rice cooker. I am pouring in the rice water along with rice and the red lentil. Now I am adding the vegetables. I am keeping the coriander bundle intact so that we can remove it after cooking. Now I am adding the spices along with the ghee. Mix everything and add salt as per taste. I have taken 1 spoon of salt. Now cover the rice cooker with the lid and switch on the rice cooker. 5 minutes in warm. After that our khichdi is ready. Serve it hot with a gravy curry or as it is. Hope you liked today's video and hope you'll give it a try. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and until next time, bye.